Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals for the week. We're going to be going over the items that I've found that are either on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. All these items will have their own independent link down in the description for you guys, so it's very easy to find. You'll have 2 additional links down there that take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest, so that's all there for you guys. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. But the first item up we're going to be looking at is the Gearwrench 3-piece indexing pry bar set. It's going to include an 8-inch, 10-inch, and 16-inch indexing pry bar. Last week, I had mentioned the kind of just the hooks. You can buy these as just hooks with a drive end on them. So you can put them on a 1/4-inch, 3/8, or 1/2-inch drive ratchet or breaker bar and use them that way, kind of save a little bit of money. I want to say that was around $13 to $16. But if you're looking for just one that you don't have to use, maybe something, these are possibly a little bit more durable than putting them on a long ratchet, especially when you're prying on things. But they do come at a little bit more of a price. This has a typical price though of $86.35. This is down to $62.97, so priced very, very well. And these are extremely handy for getting in awkward places and prying, and they give you much more leverage than your standard pry bar design. So I really like these, and they're priced really well. Here you can see they were actually up at $86 and have dropped below $63. So I have an extendable one. I want to say that one's a little bit more pricey, but it extends from 29 inches up to 48 inches, so pretty beefy guide there. All around a really handy tool for getting leverage on multiple different things. So this has 4.6 stars, 2,502 ratings. Next up, we're looking at jack pads. And if you guys follow the channel, in one of my previous Amazon tool deal videos in the past, I've mentioned a couple different variations. You have a jack pad for pinch welds that you can put on the plate of your jack to prevent damaging the pinch weld. You also have jack stand pads, so you can put these pads on your jack stands that then support your pinch welds without damaging them. Or if you're tired of putting those pads on your jack stands or putting that or constantly keeping track of that jack pad for pinch welds, because I jack my car up all the time and I've been using the jack pad and jack stand pads, and after a while I got sick and tired of it. I ended up buying the Veris Engineering jack pad bolt-on jack points. I don't know. These are specifically for the car. So if you're a weekend warrior DIYer, this isn't really shop related. This is more of homeowner kind of related. If you're constantly working on your project car or even just maintaining your daily driver and you don't want to damage the pinch welds, these are fantastic. Like I said, I bought mine from Veris Engineering, much more expensive, like 4 times the price. But you don't have to go that route. There are cheaper options like this one, MSCRP. So these basically have a slot in the bottom of them. You put over the pinch weld and then you thread in these set screws. You can put a little bit of Loctite on there, put them in, and they just stay on your vehicle. So then you don't have to worry about the jack pads for your jack or jack stands. You can just bring your jack over, use it with the standard plate, jack from your pinch weld, because now you have this base to jack off of. Probably say that a little differently. Moving on. So these can be really handy if you're constantly working on your own personal vehicle and the lift point is the pinch weld. There you can kind of see that design there. And this is just one. There are other brands out there. This isn't on sale, $26 for the set of 4. You can see this one says 6th Gen Camaro. If you look at the comments, they work for many, many different vehicles. This is kind of what I was talking about earlier for the jack. Here's the ones for your jack stands. So, I mean, there's tons of different options out there, but this is really solid if you don't want to keep track of the stuff for your jack and jack stands. Bolt these to your vehicle, be done with it. 4.4 stars, 113 ratings. Next up is the CC. I don't know if it's CC or CSI. But this is the grease gun accessory kit, and this was actually sent to me maybe a month ago, and I've been using it just going through my vehicle, and I found this extremely helpful, at least, 2 of the fittings, extremely helpful on a regular basis as I maintain my poly bushings and stuff. Some of them when the vehicle isn't up in the air or I don't have things torn apart, can be a real pain to get to, especially since most standard grease guns you just have a straight fitting, and that can kind of make it impossible to get on some of those Zerk fittings. This is really nice because it basically replaces the tip with a quick change tip, so you can squeeze those two side handles and it allows you to get over the Zerk really easily and lock onto it. You don't have to sit there and fight getting it on, especially when working in a tight area, or getting it off when working in a tight area, because I'm sure if any of you have done that, you guys know how much of a pain it can be. Not only that, but you get a 90-degree attachment, which works really well for me in a lot of different situations. So these two fittings right here are phenomenal. You also get a flexible hose, and you also get two different needle attachments for lubricating different, whether it's bearings or extremely small things. I'm sure they have some examples on here. There you can see working in tight areas with the 90-degree. I don't think I've ever used a grease fitting for something so small, so I can't say I've used the smaller needle one. I suppose there are a few different situations where I could use the larger needle attachment. I'm sure I could find something to use that for. There's the flex hose. This guy's extremely happy. Not a brand that I've heard of, but when they reached out, I immediately knew just a few Zerk fittings that this was going to be fantastic for, and so far they've been fantastic. So it has a list price of $35. It's down to $30. It has a coupon that brings it down to $25.50. I don't think that's a bad price at all. Let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 4.4 stars, 62 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a light from Klein Tools that I hadn't seen before. This is their foldable handheld work light, 500 lumens, 180-degree pivot, and 270 degrees of rotation. It is USB-C rechargeable, IP54 rated. It does have a magnetic base. I hadn't seen this one before, and I thought it was a really nice design. I mean, there's tons of brands out there with similar designs, but I hadn't seen this one from Klein, so I figured I'd mention it. So not only does this head flip up like this, but it also turns. So when you, I think that's really cool, because not all of them do that. And it also looks to be like a pretty compact size while still having 500 lumens. I think that's pretty good output for that. There you can see 270 degrees rotation there. There it is folded down. The charging port, the dimensions of it all. So 5 hours on high at 500 lumens, 9 hours at 250 lumens, or 13 hours at 100 lumens. I think that's pretty good battery life. Then we have, not only do you have the front kind of work area light, but you also have a directional light at the top, or a spotlight, 100 lumens with up to 12 hours of runtime on that. There you can see the magnetic base, 180 degree pivot. So yeah, I thought it was a pretty cool design, one that I hadn't seen before. If you guys have experience with this one, please let me know down in the comments. But this is at $40, not on sale. 4.7 stars, 20 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Knipex two-piece set of the Cobras at $65.83, down from a typical price of basically $70. So some decent savings on these, and the Cobras are phenomenal. Not only is Knipex one of the best plier brands out there, made in Germany, but the Cobras are a very popular. I want to say it's probably one of their most popular sold sets, or their most popular design for pliers. A lot of adjustability, a lot of bite in these, very comfortable, very durable, fantastic set. I probably have 15 sets of Knipex, and these are one of my go-tos. It's nice that this is a two-piece set. This has 4.9 stars, 3,128 ratings. Next up, we're looking at an item from Crom. This is their EDC mini ratchet wrench. This is going to include a 1/4-inch hex bit adapter that you would put on like a carabiner. There's a lot of those out there, you know, the carabiners with the 5 or so bit adapters. You put your most common bits on there. This is basically an add-on to something like that. You got all your bits, you carry on you, on your bag, whatever it may be. This is going to include one of those bit holders that attaches this mini ratchet. So if you ever need those bits in a scenario with a ratchet, you can either leave this attached to the bit adapter and use that all as kind of leverage, or you can use the bit ratchet by itself, or you can throw it in another tool to get some added length. So I thought it was a pretty cool design. So there you can see the length with and without the bit adapter. There are some other things that you can use it on to kind of gain leverage. Overall, I thought it was pretty nice, especially for the price, $20, not on sale. A lot of these little mini bit ratchets go for around that price by themselves anyways, so let me know your guys' thoughts. This is 4.9 stars, 20 ratings. Last item up for this week's Amazon tool deals is the Gearwrench 6-piece Pitbull pliers set. I've had this set for basically since they came out. I have the non-comfort grip, which I prefer over the comfort grip, but they have both available. The comfort grip set is on sale right now, though. The typical price is $94. It's down to $80. So some really good savings on that, especially for this size of set. You're going to include the ones I use primarily are going to be the long nose pliers, the diagonal side cutters, and kind of the smaller adjustables or water pump pliers. I honestly don't even know where my slip joints are, but I used the diagonal side cutters and the long nose pliers in my work truck for about 3 years, and they have held up well. I also like them because they have cross hatching in the teeth, which make it really good at pulling from multiple different directions. So I was actually really surprised by this set. Some of the designs can be a little bit bulkier, like the water pump pliers and the slip joint pliers. They seem a little bit bulky compared to some other designs out there, but overall not bad. They've held up really well. I've abused the two quite a bit, and I was surprised with how well they held up. I think $80 for this 6-piece set is very, very fair. This has 4.8 stars, 975 ratings. That is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I will have all of these linked down in the description for you guys, like I stated. But if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.